Before we move on to the higher concept of articles, we will first check our understanding of articles through this exercise. You can pause the video in order to figure out the particular article used in these blanks. Yesterday, Sarah and her family went to dash beach. Which article can be used here? They packed dash picnic basket with sandwiches, fruits and drinks. When they arrived, Sarah spotted dash umbrella. She and her brother built a sand castle, while their parents relaxed on dash beach towel. The first is yesterday Sarah and her family went to the beach. They packed dash picnic basket. They packed a picnic basket with sandwiches, fruits and drinks. When they arrived, Sarah spotted dash umbrella. Which article can be used here? An umbrella. She and her brother built a sand castle while their parents relaxed on dash beach towel. Which article? The article. Very good. So we are all done with the basic concept of articles. Now we can move on to the higher concept. In the starting of the video, I mentioned zero article. What is all about this zero article? Well, let me tell you. In some cases, we do not use any article. Neither we use a, an, nor we use the article. Even though the grammar suggests us to use that article, but we do not use. Such cases include general truths or abstract nouns. If I quote an example here, I would say, love is patient. Love is patient. Love is abstract noun. It can't be touched. It can't be seen. But it is a noun, though abstract. We cannot say the love is patient. Even though grammar suggests us to use article here, but we do not use article here. So the case is no article is used, even though grammar suggests us otherwise. We call such cases as zero article. Here we do not use any article, so we call it zero article here. No article. The second case is general truth. General truth. With general truths, we do not use any article. For example, sun rises from east. Sun rises from east. Even though grammar suggests us to use the here or the sun, we do not use it. Why? Because it's a general truth. In general truth, we do not use article. Here is something to add to the zero articles. Some geographical locations do not take articles. For example, I would say, I am going to Paris. Here I cannot use the Paris. So it's a geographical location, so I'm not using the here or a or any kind of article here. Second one is Uncountable nouns. Uncountable nouns. For example, water. I will not say the water is so pure. I will simply say water is so pure. Well, there is one more concept that is called partitive article. What is this partitive article? Well, I'm sure you must be known to this part because we all the time use some or any. These two words are very common and we use these words in our everyday English. With what are these two words used? These two words are used to express an unspecified quantity of something. For example, I would like some water. We do not use a or an here because this is uncountable now. So we are using some instead of those three articles. Well, this was about partitive articles. I would like to add something more to your knowledge here, and that is partitive articles are used in Italian and French language mostly. One more point regarding articles is that in some cases we omit the use of articles. The cases include news headlines, titles, scientific writing, etc. In these cases, we do not use articles mostly. For example, if I quote a headline of newspaper here, I would say, man bites dog. Funny, isn't it? So, no article used. Man bites dog. Even though we can use article, but we do not use article in order to beautify it, in order to show the grace in the headline. So, article is omitted. So this was all about articles. The entire journey is completed by this example. I hope you understood all the concepts and liked my video as well. I'm gonna meet you in the next video. Until that, stay blessed, stay safe, and stay hard and keep speaking English.